恭喜发财，新年快乐.
It's Chinese New Year, you know, let's do it up. JL Jupiter TV, shout out to all my foodies in the world. This video is about options. Today we are currently in New York City, Chinatown, 11 Division Street to be exact. We're currently out front of Fuleen Seafood restaurant. We ordered the bird's nest, which is delicious. We also ordered the Ginger Scallion Lobster, which is also delicious. Spicy clams with green pepper onion broth. That sounds amazing. Fresh scallop, see that?恭喜发财.
Yeah, 恭喜发财.
Yeah, I mean, which is absurd.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode of JL Jupiter TV. You know, I'm making this video primarily to show you guys that you can have different options, different great options here at the Chinese restaurant. You know, where I'm from, you know, Chinese is mainly a corner store type of food where people order just the same things every time. You know, fried chicken wings, General Tso chicken, whatever it is, lo mein. But today I'm just going to show you that we have options, man. There's options at the Chinese store, which is mad delicious. And today what we're gonna order is the bird's nest. Now the bird's nest is one of my favorite things. We normally only get it at weddings, right? Which is mainly, it's like a outside crust shaped like a bird's nest. And inside of it it's like a medley of just seafood heaven. You know, you get scallops, you get shrimp, you get everything. You get the works, man. And you also get some veggies in there as well. You gotta get your veggies in there. And we're also gonna order We're also gonna order the lobster, the Ginger Scallion stir-fried lobster. You guys don't know nothing about that. Let's go into Fuleen Seafood restaurant. Let's order this meal. Let's have a good time. Happy New Year to all my Chinese folks out there, you know what I mean? Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you prefer. And you know, we're just gonna keep eating good and just gonna spread positive vibes, man. So let's go in here, let's get some good food, all right? So right now we ordered the bird's nest. We also ordered the Ginger Scallion Lobster. We got beer too. You know, the first thing he said to us when first thing he said is when we sat down, is, you guys want a beer? Like, yeah, let's drink. It's Chinese New Year, you know, let's do it up. You know, it's very lively in here, very friendly. And the service is great. What else do you recommend?
How the
Spicy clams?
Yeah.
That looks good. What do you think about that?
What's that?
Very good.
Spicy clams?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that too. We'll do 3 dishes.
Okay.
So we also ordered the spicy clams with green pepper onion broth. That sounds amazing.
Yeah, very good.
I can't wait to eat. I'm hungry. I'm a big boy. I'm hungry. Cheers, my dude.
Cheers.
It's a great Chinese beer right here. If y'all don't know that by now. Sing Tao. I'm gonna make, if you guys are originally from New York City, you guys are gonna hate me for this video because I'm gonna make you guys miss New York City. Something about the sounds of New York City, the subways, the people, you know, the lighting, the neon lights.
This customer service is impeccable. You know what I mean? You would think I'm at Chick-fil-A.
Cheers to that.
Late morning.
to start because we ordered 3 dishes. This is like a prized possession right here. It's a work of art too because it looks like a bird's nest, but it's topped with like all different type of seafood. You know what I mean? You got shrimp in here, scallops, what is it, lobster, just everything. You know what I mean? And then you can actually eat the actual basket, the shell too, which offers it like a nice, crunchy texture. So it's like an onion broth, but it has like green peppers and red onions in here. So I'm gonna taste this broth first. Oh. That's so good and rich. So there's baby clams with like this onion broth, man. This is so freaking good. Y'all see that? We got pieces of pepper in here. You got a kick to it. That broth is everything. Like the baby clam, clam right here. It's so fresh. Bits and pieces of onions in there. On a night like this is so well needed. I'm gonna do more of this clams though. I like the fact that they're not stingy with the peppers too. I don't know if I'm turning red on camera or what, but that beer is kind of strong. The broth though is so freaking good. Got the green peppers. I'll tell you something. That beer got me lit. On to the next. The freaking bird nest, man. Seafood bird nest. Oh my God. See the shrimp? See the crab in here too? You can break this too. Watch this. See that? You can break this whole thing, put the seafood in there, and just eat it. Look at the scallop. Let me show you the scallops. Fresh scallops. See that? Delicious. Just breaks apart right in your mouth. Got the greens. Taste the ginger, taste the scallions in here. Seasoned very lightly. And you have the beans here. It's very crispy. Get this next time. And now for the main event, the lobster. The Ginger Scallion Lobster. This right here is a prized possession. Anybody, if you're fortunate enough to get this during the wedding party, just so you know, you got a wonderful treat. Honestly, when I first started eating lobster, this was the only way that I ate lobster, was this type of flavor. You know, the American way is you steam it and then you dip it in butter. But this flavor though is way better. This is more tasteful in my opinion. The flavor, the ginger and the scallion, and the sauce that they got with this, you can eat it with rice. Game changer. This will take you to the moon. See the flavor here? They got bits and pieces of ginger right here. Can you see the ginger? Ginger and scallion. You can actually eat this by itself if you want to, just the sauce. And then you eat it with some rice. So you eat it with some rice. Yo, I'm sweating. Can you see me sweating? You know when they stir fry, they use the wok and they make it kiss the flames. And that's what gives it like that nice charred flavor to the sauce as well as the actual lobster itself. Here's more of the sauce. We just want to eat the sauce right now. One of the things you do when you get it, you see that? I guarantee you the flavor is so much better because you actually lick the shell. The sauce just sticks onto the shell. And you have the actual lobster meat you can just pick at. Look. Ooh. I can tell you right now, they ended up slaughtering one of those lobsters in the window. Look, this is the bits and pieces of fresh ginger that they put in there. See that? It's spicy and so flavorful. That sauce and that juice. And you gotta eat some rice with it too. Look at this.
And the best too.
Fuleen is one of the best places to eat here. And great service too.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Feng. F-E-N-G.
Great food, great service. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Delicious. Thank you. See you. Oh man, let me tell you something. That was a great dinner. Happy New Year. That was a great dinner. Thank you guys so much. Oh, Fuleen is got a special place in my heart, man. Ain't nothing like good food, friendly people, great customer service, festive vibes, you know what I mean? You go in there, it's just different. It just feels different in there. So, I'm full, man. I kind of like, I didn't really eat the rice as much because I didn't want to fill myself up, but I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Happy Chinese New Year, happy Vietnamese New Year, you know. It's
Lunar New Year.
It's a Lunar New Year for like a lot of people. So until then, y'all eat good, man. Come visit Fuleen, follow the homie Hella Schley. And I gotta go catch my bus. Peace.